Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a coaching landing page in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click on Funnels. Now click Create to start a new funnel. Give your funnel a name, Coaching Landing Page, choose Build an Audience or Sell, depending on your goal, and click Create. Next, open the landing page step and click Edit Page, choose a clean, professional template or start with a blank page. Replace the headline with something like, Transform Your Life with Expert Coaching or Book Your Free Coaching Session Today. Update the page with information about your coaching program, the results clients can expect, testimonials, and your coaching experience. Replace the placeholder images with your own branding, professional photos, or coaching-related visuals. Customize the call to action button with text like, Book a free call or Get started today. Edit the opt-in form to collect the visitor's name, email address, and phone number if needed. Once you're done customizing the page, click Save Changes. Preview the page to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. That's it. You've successfully created a coaching landing page in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.